back to my channel, Bessie. It is Tina here. Happy holidays. I know I'm gonna get it. I know I'm gonna get it from somebody. As I was saying, I know I haven't posted in a while. It has been a rough summer. And your girl, honestly, I made it through and I'm still here. Celebrated another birthday. I've advanced in my job. I got a boosted promotion. Your girl is now in Barley. That's pretty cool. I don't really know. I think I want to take that skill somewhere else though. Like, I like my job. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff about that I don't necessarily like. It's not like major stuff, so it's not like a bad job, and I don't see myself not working there anytime soon. But I know for sure that in the long run, I'm gonna need something that's a little more. Yeah, so we're just gonna jump into today's video because I've already blabbed a lot. I've made several clips that I already know I'm not gonna use. I already deleted them because I needed storage on my phone. So yeah, but I'm just gonna go ahead. Today's video is not necessarily sponsored by, but I am partnered with Romwe. I am one of their ambassadors. So they did give your girl a code. I will put it here. I'll put it here. I'm gonna put it right here, just in case. And I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna put Pluto's head for a sec. So, yeah, they are having their Cyber Monday sale. Hopefully this video will be posted in time for you guys to see that, so you guys can, you know, at least have a coupon code to use. You know what I'm talking about? Trying to help you save some money. And get your coins, babies. Alright, save your coins. Anyway, so they wanted me to pick out 3 to 5 items, do a little styling video for you guys, blah 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 blah, whatever. And I was like, heck yeah, I can do that. But yeah, like, this is obviously a new opportunity for me. I told myself literally last year that a year later I would be working with them. And bam! Just a year later. You're so cute. I am really grateful for this opportunity. It is something that I really wanted to do. So I hope I picked out good stuff and I didn't just fucking... You know, like, I know I got style, but like also sometimes it'd be questionable, but like in a good way, you know? So I'm just gonna tear into this package. I'm just gonna. I do remember what I got, but I don't remember. You know, like you order stuff, and I actually got like a week ago, and I didn't put it in quarantine, but I was just like, I'm gonna just wait it out, and I'm gonna open it. You know, when I'm like ready. You know, I don't know if I'll do the haul like I normally do, where I put it like over here. If I do, sorry Pluto, I probably won't, or I'll probably put it over here so you guys still see Pluto. I don't know. You'll see it while I'm in editing. So, you know that paper, don't you? Anyways, this hat is so freaking cute. Everybody laughed at me when I was like, it's a feather! Don't judge my hair. I'm in the process of changing the color. No, hold on, wait. This is... She get up there. I do. I told y'all she wanted that paper. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. Like, if it's bright, it's bright. Okay. Yep. Just imagine cute long black hair. Getting it, slaying. Here's more trash for you. If you don't know, my cat is a trash cat. We voluntarily give her trash to play with so that she does not play in the trash. Look into it. If you have a cat, buy your cat some twist ties. I swear she will never touch a roll of paper towels again. I'm not saying that my cat ever touched paper towels, but she's actually a good cat. So, yeah. So for their Black Friday sales or whatever the schmash was, they have aesthetics that they picked. One aesthetic being fairy core. I think it was cyberpunk. I should have plugged up my laptop so I could like give you guys a taste. I'll list everything. Obviously, I'll just put here, flash the aesthetics right here. Look at all those. There's like 5 to 7, but they're like all within each other. So I don't really know how that like anime. That can be kawaii. Couldn't anime be whatever? You see the list. Do you want to choose one of these little things? Anyways, I chose fairy core and goth. Hopefully I put it in this order. I'm gonna have to remember how I'm going to do this video. Yeah. Anyways, so this is where we're going. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna try and find the complete outfit. Or actually, I'm not. We're gonna be scatterbrained because of ADHD and whatever. First piece that I picked up after the hat was actually a hidden out, but we're gonna open this because it's clothes. I'm gonna say that Romwe has stepped it up a tad. None of the Romwe bags say Shein. No shade, no tea, but if you know, they're literally sister companies, which is like not really surprising that some of their bags would have they're literally probably next door to each other. Okay. I'm gonna say they also brought up, there's tags, like actual Fashion Nova's got these, the tags, like these aren't the plastic ones either, these are the cotton, like little strings. I'm not trying to boast, but I'm saying, like, look at them, they're really stepping up. I've been ordering from both Shein and Romwe for a few years now, so like, just to see the quality of their clothes, like actually having tags on them. First piece is this skirt. Got it to, obviously it looks like some goth stuff going on, so I was like, it's pretty to me. It's like a purpley color, but it's like purple, not yet eggplant, because it's like darker than that. But the flowers are very cool. I will try my best to get these ones like up close. The next thing that I know for sure I touched was this. Even if today I was going to do this. Now, this was completely not even part of it. Actually was. It's in there like Hawaii stuff, but I didn't get anything else to go with this stuff. But like, it honestly, it has padding in it, which is but there's a slit to take out, which is great. Coming through with the tags that says Romwe on it. It's not bad quality, and I think that this little heart thing might stab me in this, but also depending on how I wear it, it might not matter. Because knowing me, I might put a shirt under it and then wear it over top of the shirt, so it won't matter. Anyways, it's cute and it's a decent quality. I did get, if I'm not saying I'm paying a medium also. I will obviously list everything below. It will either be in a Google document. There's a decent amount. Everything should fit in the description. If not, then I'll make a Google Doc and it'll be there. But yeah, this is a medium, US size 6. And what is it? And obviously it was made in China because that's what they need. Ooh, this one also has a tag on it. I don't really know what this material for emotional now boots like stage okay now the truth. Anyways, this one, another tag on it, which is nice. Like I said, I'm really proud of them to just like know a company like when they started like 2016-ish to like see their growth as a company. Like that's really impressive. Like even if it is still very low level, I wouldn't even call it low level quality, but you get what I mean, right? Like it ain't Gucci, Prada, but it's something. Like it's not Levi, but it's still like you could wear it and it'll be okay. Like, you know, it's not about how much you post, it's about how good you look. Like, great, I'm gonna look good in this. It's not giving, I don't think it's giving on the shape of like what this is, but hopefully you guys, I will be here wearing, and you guys like it. I don't really know, it's very, I feel like it might be see-through, we'll see. I don't know, it is kind of thin though, but it's just kind of like one of those light summer dresses, so I think it might work. Because it's thin, I would totally wear that and then just like hop a bathing suit over the top, like not over top, but under it. Just like, oh, let me get out the pool, put my dress on. You know, yeah, it's one of those ones. Okay, now this top, it is a mesh tie top. This pattern, hopefully. I'm sorry if my cat wants to show out in front of y'all right now. Anyways, I don't think that she likes this top. I don't think that she likes this top, y'all. She didn't even see it. She being judgmental. She like her auntie. I know she is. Hey, shout out to you. But it's got these bell sleeves. It ties in the front with these two little ties things. If I knew how to hold things. You guys get the point, right? Like this the sleeve, you tie it right here. Okay? I'm sure you get the point. This one also had a tag on it. It's very light, it's literally mesh material, so like if you broke Mommy or Pluto, she's gonna cause me to have a heart attack. And I don't know what I'm gonna do when it happens. But I'm having a heart attack, that's what I'm gonna do. But like, whatever. I got this skirt. It is, can y'all see that? It is double lined, but not what we do. So I was counting on it being fully, maybe it looked like that on the website, but I don't know, because I was counting on it being fully like the lining down to the bottom, because y'all know how I look in skirts, and I may not be able to wear that now, so I'm teeny bitty I'm gonna save the rest of the accessories for last. But yeah, I'm a little not disappointed, but I am like, I mean, we could always make it work, because like I have to put on some black shorts that like come down a little bit to like, you'll see in the stylist portion, baby. We're gonna wear this freaking skirt, okay? Skirt's getting bored, no matter what. Next piece we have is this little top. It's cute. It's basic. It's like, it's not really like, that's, I knew what it was, like, so I'm not like overwhelmed, I'm not underwhelmed. I got exactly what I ordered. So, and then here we go, even with the basics. Even with their little basics. Brandon team out here, they said make sure you stitching those sizes. You're wrapping that tag on there. Not only that, but they have the literal, they giving you coupon codes. Coupon? Who is you? Why'd you start talking like that? Anyways, they literally have a coupon code on here. It's just for like your next app purchase, but even then it's still like, they're even still sending you a coupon with your, like, every item. I don't know if you can just use, can you just always use that 10%? Because I think, is this the last loading piece I got? Probably. This was a short haul, and that was literally the point. I hope this is still recording. I do. But this is the last clothing piece I got. This was out of their, I think this was in their, like, I don't remember. It was in the kawaii section stuff, or in the anime section stuff. But I tried to stick to goth, but this was also giving me goth girl, because, like, pastel goth girls exist, and y'all need to stop acting like we don't. And I'm tired of it. Just because I wear pink doesn't mean that I'm not sad, and I cry, and listen to fucking sad boy music, because I do. Leave me alone. And I don't want y'all to know none of my artists, because I'm tired of y'all always spider checking. So, I like listening to my artist piece, and I like to think I live right here. I mean, I get players songs because I'm great first too, and I have to fixate on things. But I don't like when other people have to fixate on things I'm hyperfixating on. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Let me have my own stuff, you know? Hey, we all can't like strawberry ice cream. Ooh. Anyways, this sweater is not, it's not soft, but it's not like, it's not uncomfortable. So like I said, I'm sorry, but she's so wide. Why do you have the zoomies? There also is a tag right here. This also is in a size medium. As I said, I'm sure I got everything in a size medium. My last few things I got are, my mom. She loves packaging. She loves packaging. Yes, there is. So there's the hole for the thumbs. Don't let your butt in front of me. Get out of here. Get out of here. Gloves. Gloves, 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 gloves. I'm excited. I just, so I for a coat. Yeah. I could really put these on with a literal freaking all white shirt, all white gloves, outfit, just like every. Cause I got 2 more things. I actually got 3 more things. I'm sorry, I'm gonna pop these out because I'm putting them on right now. Actually, these are literally the frog hat, the gloves, the pink sweater, and then what I'm about to show you guys are literally the only things in this entire haul that I bought today. Remember mine? Don't remember anything else. These are cool. These are mushroom, earrings with earports. I don't think they're real good earports. They're like $2, but. Anyways, I hope I look good. I look just as I thought I was going to. I'm so cute. Favorite gloss, hands down, all time. As you can see, it came with me forever. I can't find it anywhere, so I'm going to use every last drop out of it until it is complete. Anyways, I did buy one other thing, which is this little pin brooch thing. If you don't know, I do have a lot of these and collect them. So any of them have, oh, they double bagged this, baby. Okay, that's it. Ooh. Here. I'm so hungry. Oh, it's got 2 little things in here. Anyways, it says that wasn't very cash money of you because we out here filing, okay? And the stuff that y'all be doing, it don't be very cash money at y'all. So I need to, let me see what y'all know. Honestly, I'm not very good at I literally have a cork. Is it a cork board? I have a cork board. I have a cork board, and I literally just pop off these little deck sheets and the little pin pad. Use it as a pin, and then that way that if I want to stick stuff on the board too, I already have push pins, push pins or tacks already there, and they're cute. So if you want to ever collect these, or like, I don't want to be one of those people that wear pins and buttons all over my check. Same thing with buttons. I literally just pop the freaking thing through like a decent amount of the freaking cord. You know, solutions, babe. Solutions. Sorry for that. Now, I did get a free thing from Romwe because I spent over a certain amount and they gave you something for free. And I got to pick what it was. So I picked out this pillow because she's so cute. She was the cutest like little free gift. She was a free gift that I got that day. I think I wanted like the other day I got a butterfly hair, but it's already have butterfly hair first. So I was just like, I'll just open it. Get in here. Jeez, that's not enough, but they and bam, now we got hot anime girl. Is she like Halloween? What is she? Oh, okay, she's like a cat, maybe. So yeah, I don't know if I will make a part 2 of this video, which will be the styling portion of this, but there will be a TikTok that I will play in 5, 4, 3,